Good morning. Today we are gonna make some French onion chicken in a slow cooker today. So for this, we're gonna do boneless, skinless chicken thighs, beef consomme, French onion soup mix, and some onions. So first, I'm gonna add the French onion soup to the slow cooker. I'm gonna add my onions. And just spreading it evenly around as much as possible. Okay. So we added the chicken. It's almost 3 pounds. It's like 2.75. And then we're gonna season it with the onion soup mix. I got these handy dandy gloves on, so I'm gonna mix it around. Make sure everybody get a little something on it. And then lastly, I'm gonna add the beef consomme. I didn't add any additional salt yet because all of this is salty. If we need more, we'll add it after. So now we got everything incorporated, and we're gonna cover it, cook it low for 5 to 6 hours, and then check back on it later. 6 hours later, I added shredded Gruyere cheese, French onions, and some parsley. And I'm just gonna let that cheese melt down some, and we'll be good to go.
Oh, the sister.
Deal?
You gotta get the name wrong. Wait.
Okay, food is done. Let's get to tasting. I added mashed potatoes. If I could get a good piece. There we go. Right. You can be honest.
Good. What?
Oh.
That's good.